Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to today's science lesson. Today we are going to start our chapter unit number 6, which is forces. So here is a question: what is force? A force is a push or pull that changes an object's motion or shape. You can take example like pushing a door, dog pulling on a leash, and pushing a ball. These are all forcing that you are applying on the objects. So there are two types of forces which we will discuss in this chapter. Number one is applied force and the number two is normal force. So what is applied force here? Applied force is an force which is applied to an object by a person or another object. Read it again. Applied to an object by a person or another object. For example, pushing a swing and pulling a toy car. ठीक है? So these examples are related to applied force. Now we will read about the normal force. Forces exerted by a surface on an object that is in contact. For example, feet on the ground and book on table. As you can see over the definitions, I have drawn two boys as an example. You can see here first boy. So here are two examples. I have drawn two boys on the definitions. You can see the boy with the football is an example of applied force, in which you can see he is applying force with his shoes on a football, and the other one is standing on the ground. As we have studied that force exerted by a surface on an object that is in contact, they are in contact and he is standing continuously on the surface of the ground. So this is a normal force. As for example, book on the table, this is also example of normal force. Okay. Today we are going to learn about another concept, which is friction, and friction is also a type of force. So here is a question: what is a friction? A friction is a force that slows down the moving object. You can take the example like, for example, erasing pencil marks, breaking a bicycle, etc. So again repeating, friction is a force that helps to slows down or stops the moving object. Now you can see this activity number 3 on the page number 80. You have to do it on the book. Also, this is the activity from book page number 82. Activity number 1, you have to do it on the book. This is it for today's. You have to read these pages related to these concepts like forces, applied force, normal force, and friction. Also, you have to write the differentiate between the applied force and the normal force on your notebook. Thank you so much.